What's up, YouTube? So just letting you guys know before the video starts, if it's like parts, like different parts of the video look like it's a different quality, or the lighting is different, or the frame rate might look a little bit different, it's because I was testing out new settings for this specific video. So yeah, just letting you guys know, so it's like not anything weird, or you guys wonder, hey, why is this clip like this versus the lighting in this clip? So yeah, I'm just trying out new settings and new filters for the camera, and yeah, right back to the video.
We're back again with another banger.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SJ Zion. We are back with another
video. Banger, my bad. Wait, we gotta start that over.
Alright. What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another
banger.
And today we are heading to the pit. Right now it's a rainy day, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go.
It's gonna be a whole bunch of crashes. I'm already knowing.
Even if there's even people there to drive their car to crash, right? But I saw the Texas House of Power, they had they pit, and it was like mad deep. So I don't know how Jacksonville is gonna be. So yeah, let's do a little subscriber count. You feel what I'm saying? Hold on. So I don't know how much we were at last video, but now we're at 240.
Okay.
You feel what I'm saying? Shout out to all 240 of y'all, man. Also for the 200 subscriber little giveaway, I have like my winner selected. I just don't have the money. So when I get the money,
he's a broke boy.
When I get the money, I'ma DM the people I selected, and then yeah, I'll DM you. I'll be like, yo, what's your cash app? Boom, shoot you the money, and then yeah. But yeah, in the meantime, between time, we gon' make our way over to the pit. And damn, I ain't gonna catch this camera dirty. Hold on. Good. It's on fire.
Golly, bro. Look how dirty my shoes, my pants are.
We all good.
Fuck with Mustang, boss.
We ain't gonna hit the house.
My bad, boss.
I know y'all good.
Ain't no, hold on. Slow your roll, big dog. Slow your roll.
Hold on.
Get right. Back up. That big glad Back up. Hey, they finna run right in front of that bitch.
Never in a million years, but I see a Tesla in the pit, boy. What are you tripping for, man?
Bro, I've been here 5 times. I don't fucking know why he's tripping. You gotta get smacked. Back up! Back up! Watch out, fly back up! Romeo! Boy!
Why are you squeezing so hard? Look at him. He got you on video. Yo, man, you gotta chill. Hold on, move your hand, move your hand.
Dude, I'm hungry as fuck. I haven't ate nothing.
Look, bro, you got chips stuck in your shirt.
That's a real big boy shit, bro.
I'm just being extra. I don't know why I'm making all that noise.
Back up. Back up. Hey, my shit be sliding on. Kind of.
Where's your camera?
Nah, they push on that. Oh, I didn't see it.
my jeans, twin.
No, twin, I know. These were fake when I came out here. Oh, it was going fucking crazy. Bro, in the fucking Hellcat 300 was going crazy.
But that was a good one. That was a good one.
That was a fucking, my ears hurt, bro. My fucking.
Anyways, YouTube. Oh, my fault. Yo. You said that's a successful pit, wasn't it?
It was. And surprisingly, there was no crashes.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like,
And
in
it
the
was
rain.
raining. I would have thought it was going to be so many crashes, but
Bruh.
there was none.
I ain't gonna hold you. I'm like mad dirty, like dang near head to toe, bruh. All right, that don't mean showing, but it's something up with my lens. I don't know what it was. Like it looked like it had scratches, but then the stuff cleared up. I don't know. I think it was because it was like humid and it was raining and it was like all that smoke and stuff. So yeah, we're leaving like a bit early.
Unfortunately.
I mean, it's all the same cars going over and over again.
But they had some new ones in the line. They were just in the back of the line.
They had a Supra.
So.
Not watching a Super slide. But nah, though, man.
You should have slid.
Bruh, my car is front wheel drive. But look, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, man. What we finna go do?
Get food. I'm hungry.
Where you wanna get something?
We'll figure that out.
You gotta hurry up before we get there.
RP, let the titties jerk. Glass house on my left wrist, I paid the high for this. Nigga jump.
All right, let's turn this music down.
How you fuck me, then my
all right, shawty. But yeah, though, you two,
Sweet.
it looks like I have no hair. Hey. We're driving. But yeah, though, you two,
He got a ball fade.
I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. Good God. So, yeah, man, we're gonna catch y'all with the next one. Whenever that is, wherever that is, however that is. Get a load of this guy. Oh yeah, if y'all want to watch the old pit vlog, I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. And it's another one. It's gonna be another one in March. You know when we went to the one in November? Mm-hmm. He's hosting the one in March.
Ooh, that's gonna be good.
So yeah, we're gonna catch y'all probably, I don't know when I'm catch y'all, but bye bye.
You see rainbows on my wrist, it just like pack skittles. I just left the spot cooking the hamburger, just taking little